Guys, to my new video. In this video I will talk about the while loop in the C language. So first of all, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let's start our video. The while loop, it is an entry-controlled loop in the C programming language. This loop can be used to iterate a part of code while the given condition is true. Let's see now the syntax of the while loop in the C language. We write while, expression, and the body of code. The expression here is a condition. For example, while a is less than or equal to b, and we put the body of code. Or for example, while I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, for example. This is the expression in the while loop. Now, exercise 1, write a C program to print all the natural numbers from 1 to n. In this exercise, first of all, I need to define I need to use the in while loop and n, and this is number n. Second step, I need to tell the user to give me a value of n. For example, if the user we need to print the numbers between 1 to 10. Later I need to use the while loop like this, while I is less than or equal to n, and I need to put here, I need to print the value, print f I, and I need to put here the I++. But here it start from 1 to n. I need to put here I here is equal to 1, and I need to print here all the natural numbers from 1 to n. Let's write the code. Start with hashtag include studio.h integer main. Let's define I and n. Now let's tell the user to give me a value of n. Printf, enter a value of n, scanf, percentage d because it's an integer, now I is equal to 1 because I need to start print from 1 to n, and here while I is less than or equal to n, I need to open the braces and I need to print all the natural number between 1 and n. Printf, percentage d, I, and I++. And finally, return 0. This is our C program using the while loop to print all the natural numbers from 1 to n. First of all, I need to define I and n. I need to tell the user to give me a value of n. And finally, I need to use the while loop to print all the natural numbers. Now the exercise 2 is the same as the exercise 1, but here I need to print the natural numbers in reverse from n to 1. In this exercise, first of all, I need to define n, this number n, and I need to tell the user to give me a value of this number. Second, I need to use the while loop with this condition. N is greater than or equal to 1, and I need to print the natural number and n minus minus. Why minus minus and not n plus plus? Because I need to print the natural number in reverse. And finally return 0. Let's write the code, and let's start with hashtag include studio.h integer main and define n, and let's tell the user to give me a value of n. Enter value of n and scanf percentage %d because it's an integer and n. Now while n greater than or equal to 1, printf percentage %d n and n minus minus. And finally return 0. Exercise 3. Write a C program to print all the alphabets using while loop. First of all, let's define the character. It's a char equal to A because I need to start from A to Z. Second, I need to use the while loop with this condition. Char is less than or equal to Z. It's mean I need to start from A to Z, and I need to print the alphabet on the screen. Let's start write the code and start with hashtag include studio.h integer main char because it's a character ch is equal, it starts from A, printf alphabets from A to Z are, while ch is less than or equal to Z, printf percentage %c because it's a character and ch and ch plus plus, and finally return 0. This is our C program to print all the alphabets using the while loop. First of all, I need to define the character using the character data type. I need to print the alphabets on the screen using the while loop. With this condition, I need to start with from A to Z, and I print the alphabet on the screen.